Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check processor memory cache size in Windows 10, 8 and 7. For this, I will use total 3 methods and you can use either according to your needs. First one method is through the command prompt. For this, click on this one start button, type cmd. In the search results, click on this one command prompt entry. In the command prompt window, all you need to copy and paste this one command that you will find in this video description. After copy and paste this one command, press enter on the keyboard. This will display L2 cache size as well as L3 cache size in KB. Next one procedure is through task manager. For that, right click on this one free space on the taskbar. Select here task manager option. In the task manager window, switch to this one performance tab. Select CPU in the left sidebar. On the right, you will see L1, L2 as well as L3 cache at bottom of the screen. Next one method is through a freeware tool that is known as CPU-Z. All you need to download and install it on your PC. Then open it. Now switch to this one CPU tab, and here you can see L2 as well as L3 cache memory in MB. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.